On Friday, Chief Justice Acting Roxane George ruled against 6 displaced squatters of Caneview, Mocha, whose homes were bulldozed by the state in early 2023. The residents lost their bid for compensation and have instead been ordered to pay costs to the state after the court found that their claims of land ownership and constitutional violations could not be substantiated. In handing down a ruling, the acting Chief Justice stated that the residents failed to provide evidence supporting their claims of ownership for lots 11 and 16 at Caneview. The judge pointed out critical details such as clear survey data and detailed land descriptions were missing. The applicants alleged that their constitutional rights were breached when their homes were destroyed to facilitate the construction of a 4-lane highway. However, the acting Chief Justice stated that the complaints were unfounded, characterizing the case as a private property dispute rather than a constitutional matter. She also noted that decision made by the residents not to accept government's offer for compensation. The government had long maintained that residents were squatting on its reserve and had issued several notices directing the removal. While some residents accepted the government's offer of house and land in Little Diamond Housing Scheme, others, who had been living there for more than 30 years, have held out. The Chief Justice acknowledged that properties were damaged and noted that a separate claim for property damage should have been filed instead. Furthermore, the Chief Justice ruled that the residents must also pay damages to the Attorney General and the Ministry of Housing, Central Housing and Planning Authority. The demolitions occurred when the government tore down 7 homes in Mocha Arcadia to clear the path for a new 4-lane road along Heroes Highway. The highway has since been completed, however, it is far from the area where the squatters had occupied. The residents were represented by Attorney-at-Law Vivian Williams, while the state was represented by Attorney General Anil Nandlal and his team. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Nightly News.